Hello again.
Just jump.
Yeah.
Now I'm arrived in Rudesheim. Rudesheim am Rhein is a town in the Rhine Valley, Germany.
Stop.
And I will take you hike to Niederwald Monument through the vineyards. From the center of Rudesheim, we will hike to the Niederwalddenkmal.
Yeah, come in.
Come, Gipi!
That's perfect. Perfect.
Wear comfortable and sturdy walking shoes.
Super. That's it.
8-kilometer hike with a 300-meter elevation gain.
How is that? Good idea, but we can't get it from there, German. After he is remote.
Dobre, dobre.
Gipi, this side. This.
It's known for winemaking.
Next to a tree like that.
Tonight, so that means you can be already ready.
You can hike or take a cable car to the monument. Niederwald Monument, built in 19th century. To commemorate the first unification of Germany. From here, you will have a great view of the small city. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you when I see you. Cheers!